just finished a live broadcast, and so in the interest of providing content, I'm gonna remake the recipe. So over here, we got the hot water maker. While the water is heating up, now it doesn't have to heat up all the way. It doesn't have to boil. It's just gotta warm up enough to melt the honey. So we're just gonna use this time to get all the juice out of the lemons. There's one. I want it to be extra lemony. What can I say? So I'm doing 2. And there's not a lot of water in the hot water maker, so you'd be surprised how quick. If you hear it, you know it's heating up. It's not making the bubbling sound, but I can see, oh yeah, that was a juicy one. Look how much lemon juice. Super cleansing. Wait a second. Why can't it just be cleansing? It's got to be super. Uh-oh. Okay. Speaking of superfood, Celtic salt. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, as you can see, already heated up. Probably a little too much. So what I'm gonna do is get a little of this cold, wild crafted reishi. And I was gonna put that in the drink anyway, but I'll put it in now because I want it to be colder, that I can add this hot water. And make this warm, but not hot. I want it to be warm so it will melt the honey. And that's really what makes this a recipe. You know, I remember seeing one time a recipe book for salad. And I was like, really? You need a recipe book for salad? Isn't it just chop things up the way you like it? In hindsight, I can see how a recipe book for salad would be useful. Especially these days, people like to be given just like a blueprint to follow. Even better would it all be in a package so they could just buy the package and don't have to even buy the different ingredients, you know? So in here is the reishi, the lemon, of course, and then this honey. A little bit of Celtic, okay? So now I'm gonna take my glass. I'm gonna come into the igloo ice maker. Okay, that's all the ice we got in there, but I have more ice in here. There you go. Because I'm fasting, the ice makes me think I'm actually eating something when I chew it. You know? And then I chew the ice. It gets me to the end of the night, and then I sleep off the hunger. So the reishi tea is optional, but if you're in Lynbrook and you want to try, feel free to hit me up. If you're not in Lynbrook, it's going to be a hard one to ship. But if you're interested in learning more about Life Food Certified, go to my website or just message me on here. And I'll give you a free consultation and we'll see what we can do.